In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do construction project management using Monday.com. Whether you're an experienced project manager or just starting out, Monday.com offers versatile tools that can streamline your construction project process efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to Monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your account. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on that will bring up a few options for logging in. For this tutorial, we'll use the Google login method, which is quite straightforward. Simply click on Google and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to log in with. Once you're in your dashboard, turn your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll see a variety of options that help you navigate through Monday.com's features. Click on More and you'll find the Template Center. This is where we'll be headed next. The Template Center is your gateway to a plethora of pre-designed templates that can cater to various project management needs. For construction, we want to select Project Management. From here, you have a choice. Opt for a pre-made template that suits your project needs, or if you're feeling more adventurous or want something more bespoke, start from scratch. For educational purposes, let's choose to start from scratch. Click on Start from Scratch. You will need to confirm this choice once more, so go ahead and click on Start from Scratch again. After setting up your blank canvas, your next step will be to populate it with what you require specifically for your construction project. On this new board, you'll want to click on Use Template to officially initialize it. Now, it's time to rename the group names to correspond with different stages of your project. For instance, you could name them Planning, Execution, Monitoring, and Closure. To effectively manage each of these stages, you'll want to add specific columns. These could be task owners, deadlines, status, or anything that fits your project's needs. Click on each stage and add columns that will provide clarity and keep your team on the same page. Don't forget, for a more detailed breakdown, you can also use the drop-down per tab to add or view sub-items, enabling more granular tracking of tasks within each project phase. And there you have it. You've now learned how to manage a construction project using Monday.com. By customizing your board and leveraging templates effectively, you can ensure your project runs smoothly while using Monday.com's helpful features to keep track of everything in one place. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy